Well, as they say, all good things must come to an end. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to bring us to the end of XNA Volume 3. Both Logan and I would like to thank you for following along through this incredible journey as we have explored new programming concepts with things like arrays, structs, delegates, and events, as well as 4 different engine types: Memory Master, Battle Blocks, Laser Bikes, and Space Fighter. There's been a lot of concepts that have been demonstrated, taught, coded. I hope that you are able to take what we've demonstrated throughout this volume and put those things to good use in your own games. Remember, the only way to really get good at this stuff is stop following us and start trying your own stuff. Start trying to use the concepts we've given you, but expand on them. Try to make your own games. Try to make games that are fun to play. Create games. Give them to your friends. Get feedback. Improve. Put your stuff up on the internet. Let strangers play your games. Get feedback. That way, in the end, nothing happens with the exception of you get better. Now, we look forward to you joining us in future volumes of XNA. Now, keep an eye on 3dbuzz.com. We will be announcing future releases in the forums there. Logan, is there anything else that you would like to add to the conclusion here?
Well, just like you said, thanks for following along. Again, just stressing the points that you had made, saying that we had tried to focus on algorithm topics, on engine design topics, trying to focus on the specific pieces that will expand your knowledge. That was why we had opted for engines as opposed to in full games, and that way we're able to cut down on the amount of redundant stuff, as in we don't have the 10th time we make the same scoring system. Instead, we have focused on the math, the algorithms, and the engines that will be useful to progress your game creation knowledge.
That's right. Okay. Well, with that, again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and we look forward to joining us in future volumes of XNA Xtreme. And with that, that concludes Volume 3. Thanks again.